I like it.
Good morning everybody, it's Kindle. Today we're going to a classic car show. So it's currently 8:19 now and the event starts at 10. So yeah, let's go ahead and take you there.
As I was riding through Charlotte, one thing I can say is I really like how Charlotte has a lot of sightseeing things, especially during this area right here. It's really amazing.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto West Good Samaritan Way.
Okay, so at this part, I had saw a linden tree building, and all I could think about was this.
This is her house. If you don't like it, call lindentree.com, get a mortgage, and get the out.
Yes, so there's sometimes where I can't take stuff seriously sometimes because I just keep thinking about memes and stuff that refer to it. But yeah, this is us walking to the car show. And then the dessert food truck, which we never went to. And this is the first car we went to. It's a 1998 Chevrolet Corvette C5-LSI. And I thought this car was pretty cool. It caught my eye immediately. Now, due to there was music playing at the car show, I can't play all the audio, so I'm gonna play some here and there, and the rest is just gonna be music.
This yours?
Yeah, it's the only vet. It's all
Nice.
custom.
As the owner mentioned that his Corvette is the only one that's custom, he also mentioned that his brakes were custom too, and that they were made from heavy chrome, which I forgot to show in this split. He also stated that he takes it to the track to keep the engine turned up, and that he doesn't drive it as much, but instead he mostly uses it at car shows, mostly show it at car shows. And that for the reason that the mat is on the ground is because he mostly does inside car shows with it.
That's the embroidery there. The lady took a picture of my car at a show. She got an embroidery shop down in Florida. And she made that.
Oh, wow.
That's 1,000,000 stitches. And each one of them embroidered.
I then proceeded to ask him how long has he had the vehicle, and he stated that it was about for 12 years, and that he's been working on it and originally took it apart, but then bought the body and then built it like he wanted to.
Wow. She the one gave me the inspiration to do it.
I thought it was so cool that he incorporated his mama into it too.
It's the only Corvette on the East Coast with chrome brakes. On the whole East Coast. You'll find another Corvette, not even out here nowhere. You might be painted, you might find them painted or something. That's cool.
My mom then proceeded to ask him how much in total has he invested into his car, and he stated that
Probably got about 80,000. I did all the work myself, so you're looking at over $100,000 to pay somebody. It takes time. These little screws, see it's covered. You see no screws on it. And chrome, they cover all of it.
Wow. That is wow. Detail is great.
I know.
mom then asked him how many shows he has been in, and he said he's been in a lot of them, and that he's won over 6 to 7 trophies already. Now for the remaining portion of this video, besides the end, it will be music played. A lot of the owners were either inside getting food or talking with their friends. So we just wanted to get shots of the vehicle without disturbing them. So just fortunate that guy was out there. The first guy that we went to was right behind us when we was getting shots of the vehicle. So yeah, the remaining portion of this video will be music. So sit back and enjoy, and stay tuned for the ending.
there's a lookbook.
Huh?
There's a lookbook.
Yeah, that's what I said. So in this Dodge Hellcat, we found something interesting.
Campbell. Look at the license plate.
And it was actually the initials of my name.
conversation. Feel the vibration. Hey, hey, hey. What you got to say? What you got to say?
guys, so we just got back from the classic car show. It was getting a little too hot, so we had to, you know, dip. But I overall enjoyed it. Also, if you see me in these other two coming videos, it's all on the same day, so I'm doing different things, but I just want, you know, have different videos in place. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite vehicle. I personally like the Corvette one, that first one that we came across on. Out of all of them, I just don't know. It's just something about that vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. We're out.